What is up, people? How y'all doing? Y'all surviving? Anything crazy going on? We're back here in the garage at my house. Still have a few more things to get done to this bike. I've just got a few things I want to button up. I got to replace all the reservoirs. I got to reseal the gas tank. The fuel pump is leaking from right there. I need some new rear sets and a muffler, because my muffler just decided to go missing randomly. I'm gonna try to bleed all the reservoirs I got and put new ones on. All of the ones I have are yellowing, and these are fancy new pretty clear ones made specifically for this. I'm gonna swap all those out. Yeah, if there's time, may work on the headlight retrofit projector setup. If not, I may take one of these other bikes out for a ride and give you guys a good moto vlog or something. Let's get started. So I'm going to use this. See the pressure gauge, if it'll focus. Focus! I'm gonna hook this up to anything I need to bleed. In this case, the master cylinder. Excess fluid will suck into this, and I'll just have to refill the top reservoir up that way every time it gets low. And I'll hold this to act like suction. And then I'll let go. Boom. So that should pull some brake fluid through all these reservoirs. Probably help if I wear both gloves. So I've got fluid drained out of the system now. I'm going to do this one at a time, and I'm going to put that reservoir, new reservoir, on first, and then come back to this. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get a close-up in here for you guys. I'm sure most of you know how to bleed brakes and stuff, but alright. So, oh, come on. Got my reservoir filled up here. I'm at the max line right now. I have my pump. I'm going to go ahead and pump up just a little bit. It's easier to do with both hands, but I got the camera, so I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to open this, and you'll see there, just trying to suck some fluid through, get all the air bubbles out of the system, and that should go down slowly because I'm not opening it a whole lot right now, but that'll open up very slowly, or drain down very slowly. And let's do it again. Just trying to get everything through the system so I can top that off. So I'm going to open it. Not sure if that's moving a whole lot. Like I said, it's much easier to do with both hands, but you get the idea. We're just going to do that to clutch, brake, and brake. I'm just going to go ahead and put that back on since I don't. Time to switch you to the other side of the motorcycle. What you doing?
Going to get snacky treats. You want any snacky treats? Shit.
So you got Oreos.
I got you, fam.
We just gotta fill this bitch up. All of this just for new reservoirs. Whoop whoop. Probably. should have been doing some other mods while I was at it, but nope. I like to torture myself and have to do it again later. Same thing I've been doing, just crack that open and pump the old fluid out first. You just want to get that new fluid in there. It's going to be better. Reseal the fuel pump. It's got a cure anyways, so probably do like I said, I'll do that after off camera. I'll go ahead and pull the Grom out, take a lap or something, go for a little ride. Let's go for a ride. Boom. Alright, I don't know how much battery life my audio recording device has right now, to be honest. So this should be fun. It just says low battery and doesn't tell me much. I mean, I hadn't ridden in a little while, so let's get on the road. Hopefully we can talk about a few things. See what you guys think about this format. There's the Lincoln. There's the Caddy. Should probably put that in my pocket just in case. got a zip pocket. So, I don't usually like to ride at night, but the bike took longer than expected, and kind of wanted to get out on the bike. I know I've showed motorcycles on the channel before, but I mean, one of my goals is to eventually kind of move into a format where you guys get to see some motorcycle content more regularly like this, whether it be, me trying to figure out how to pop wheelies and ride wheelies for a long time, parking lots, done a little bit, or maybe eventually when the Aprilia is up and running, 100%, I might tow it down to Austin, Dakota Raceway, and see about doing some track days out there, amateur stuff, or I don't know, maybe just riding in general. Right now with the Rona, it's kind of hard to do car meets or anything, so everything keeps getting canceled. And a lot of, we're here in Texas, we opened up early, and everything else has been going a little overkill. With everything going a little overkill on cases and everything being reported, I just try not to get outside too much. Well, outside, mass public events or anything. I kind of stick to my small group of friends, and, we kind of all know where each other's been. So, nothing to really worry about there too much. I tell you, the face shield I got is tinted, so it's a little hard to kind of see in dark little sections with the visor down, but lit streets and stuff aren't too bad. But I want to talk to you guys some, so may have some things going on here soon with the Caddy where we'll be doing some more performance mods. I actually just got some exhaust in. Whoop. So I actually just got in some long tube headers with the X-pipe, so be watching out for that video if you're here mostly interested in or only following my content for the Cadillac. The Lincoln, I'm still trying to get figured out. So the Lincoln, I still got some things to iron out on it. I got a valve tick or something still that I want to figure out. I haven't dedicated time to figuring it out. And, I mean, that's kind of the car I'm wanting to revolve most of my channel around at some point, but it's just so dang expensive to put money into with how hard some of the parts are to find. And that road's closed, or sidewalk, so I'm just going to turn around. But, it's kind of hard to get some parts, and even the parts that I want to get are really expensive just because it's not a super common car. And the Lexus, we just want to blow it up and turn into a drift car. So, there's a lot of things going on that I'm trying to do all at once, or at least space out, and try to have a variety of content, which I'm hoping this is what brings some of that in. And just me being gearhead related anything, I'd kind of like to show you guys, everything I do and all the stuff I enjoy. Talking to Chris, y'all know Chris pretty well if you've been here. I've been talking to Chris, and we're thinking about maybe trying to hit up a racetrack here, or a drag strip, rather, here soon, and see if we can get me out on the drag strip and start learning how to go to the drag races. I mean, yeah, it's a straight line, but I know there's a lot of other stuff involved in it. I'd like to get either some sort of quote-unquote two-step / launch control. I don't know how to pronounce it, Lensetter or something like that. It's LNC-2001. I know what that part is, but I'd like to kind of get that, maybe help me with some takeoffs so I can have steady RPMs you know, jumping from the tree. I know I got to learn how to get off the tree and be consistent. You know, there's going to be a lot of things that go into it, from tire size, the tire compound, and type tire I'm using. But I'm getting excited to try to get into some of that, and you know, maybe eventually we'll just hit it with some nitrous and just, you know, send all the pistons to the stratosphere. I tell you what, it was hot all day, and I was sweating like crazy. But you know, just doing like 35 in this weather, and it's actually pretty comfortable. Maybe I should have led with the motorcycle riding and tailed end off with the with working on the bike itself. Again, I don't know when this you know, my battery is going to die on my headset. I know the camera's full, so if all of a sudden there's just no more audio, I'll probably do like a voiceover type thing and just kind of finish up my talk. But, I mean, oh, look, hey, look, there's Dallas. But, you know, right now, guys, I'm just kind of chilling, riding. Like I said, I have a lot of things I want to be getting done. Maybe you know, some of the racetracks, I'll get into that. Maybe that'll be some good content filler where we can show, you know, as we do things to the Cadillac, also show how I progress and the Cadillac progresses itself. You know, I'm sure seeing what mods I do, a lot of performance mods I do along the way, and seeing how well it performs or poorly it performs at the track as I do these mods, might show some of you guys that are just starting to get into an LSA platform, or an LS platform for that matter, what you can kind of expect out of what mods you're doing. But, you know, I'm kind of hoping I might be able to be somewhat educational and, you know, maybe a buffoon along the way, but hey, that's part of the experience and figuring out what's going on. Well, guys, I actually think I'm just going to end the video here. I think I kind of set out a lot of the things I wanted to talk about, you know, where we're headed with the channel and what you guys might be seeing in the future. I hope you enjoyed the motovlog portion of this. If you guys stayed hanging around this long, I appreciate it. You know, if you could give me the good old like and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Stay tuned. Every other Wednesday, I'm pushing out videos. You guys rock. Appreciate you. I'm out. Till next time, peace.